Tegra 1000 is a type of feed specifically formulated for free-range chicken. It is designed to support the nutritional needs of chickens that are raised in a free-range system where they have more space and ability to forage. Here's an overview of each function and key nutrients. Enhance growth and development. Provide balanced nutrients to support optimal growth and development in free-range chicken. Improve health and immunity. Includes essential vitamins and minerals to bolster the immune system and overall health. Energy provision. Supply sufficient energy to support the active lifestyle of free-range chicken. Feather and skin health. Support healthy feathering and skin, which is crucial for free-range chicken exposed to varying weather conditions. Digestive health. Formulated to promote a healthy digestive system, ensuring efficient nutrient absorption.
Broiler starter crumble is a type of poultry feed, especially formulated for young broiler, typically from hatch to 3 to 4 weeks of age. Its primary function is to support rapid growth and development during his critical early stage of life. Here's a breakdown of its function and key nutrients. Rapid growth support immune system development, digestive health, energy provision. Overall, broiler starter is a crumble designed to provide a balanced and complete diet that meets the specific nutrients needs of young broiler chickens, ensuring their healthy and efficient growth during the early stage of their development.
Hog grower pellet. Hog grower pellets are a type of feed specifically formulated or growing pigs, typically from about 8 weeks of age until they reach a weight of around 110 to 120 kilograms. The primary functions and key nutrients of hog grower pellets are tailored to meet the nutritional requirements for optimal growth, health, development during the phase. The functions of grower pellets: number 1, growth support; number 2, muscle development; and number 3, bone health. The key nutrients are proteins and amino acids, crude protein; number 2, energy sources and carbohydrates; number 3, vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin E, B vitamins B1, B2, B6, B12, and minerals like calcium and phosphorus. And number 5, activates, probiotics, and prebiotics.
Finisher pellets. Finisher pellets are formulated to provide essential nutrients to livestock during the final stage of their growth. These pellets typically contains a balance of protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals tolerated to meet the nutritional requirements of the specific animals being fed. The exact nutrients composition may vary depending on factors such as the species of animals, its age, weight, and intended use. Generally, finisher pellets aim to support healthy growth, muscle development, and overall well-being in animal as they reach maturity.
Organ breeder pellets are formulated specifically for breeding hogs, including sows and birds. This type of feed is designed to support reproductive health, gestation, lactation, and overall well-being of breeding pigs. Stargaze breeder pellets are designed to provide a comprehensive and balanced diet that meets the specific nutritional needs of breeding hogs, ensuring their reproductive efficiency, health, and productivity are optimized. Thank you.
Ipil-ipil. Ipil-ipis is a leguminous tree native to Central America, but widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. It's valued for its high protein content and fast growth. In animal husbandry, Ipil-ipil serves as a value forage crop due to its nutritional benefits. Sa madaling salita, ang ipil-ipil ay nakakatulong na mapabilis ang paglaki ng mga hayop.
Kakawate, in animal husbandry, for its nutritional benefit like ipil-ipil, kakawate is valued for its high proteins content, essential amino acid and minerals, such as calcium, phosphorus, and potassium.
Napier grass serves as valuable forage crop for ruminant animals like cattle, goats, and sheep. It can be grazed directly or harvested and fed as fresh fodder, silage, or hay, providing a consistent, nutritious feed source throughout the year.
Paragrass. Paragrass serves as valuable forage crop for ruminant animals like cattle, goats, and sheep. It offers consistent and nutritious feed source, particularly in areas where other forage options may be limited.
Setaria is a warm season perennial grass commonly used as fodder for livestock in tropical and subtropical regions. It serves several functions in animal husbandry and provide various nutrients essential for animals' health and productivity.